Welcome back to Color Vistas. Today, we're diving into the world of sublimation on socks, a fun and creative way to personalize one of the most everyday items in our wardrobes. Whether you're designing socks for personal use, gifts, or even to sell, sublimation lets you transform plain socks into vibrant, custom creations. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process, from selecting the right socks to achieving quality results. Let's get started. Sublimation on socks is a fantastic way to let your creativity shine. Unlike other fabrics, socks require special considerations to ensure the design transfers evenly and maintains its vibrancy. To start, you'll need socks that are at least 65% polyester. Sublimation ink bonds with polyester fibers, so the higher the polyester content, the brighter and more durable your design will be. Socks made from cotton or other natural fibers won't work because the ink can't adhere to those materials effectively. When choosing socks for sublimation, pay attention to the style and material. Crew socks, ankle socks, and knee-high socks are all great options, depending on the design and purpose. Many sublimation-ready socks have a polyester exterior and a cotton interior, ensuring comfort while maintaining the ability to sublimate on the surface. The next step is preparing your design. Socks are small, so bold and simple designs often work best. If you're creating a pattern or an image that wraps around the sock, use a sock template to ensure proper alignment. Sock templates are designed to help you visualize how your design will appear when the sock is worn, making it easier to position your artwork. You can find free templates online or create one yourself using design software like Photoshop or Canva. Once you've created your design, print it onto sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Be sure to mirror your design before printing so it appears correctly on the final product. Set your printer to high-resolution settings for crisp, vibrant results. Allow the ink to dry completely before handling the sublimation paper. Now it's time to prepare the socks for sublimation. To achieve even transfers, use sock jigs or cardboard inserts. These help stretch the sock slightly and ensure the design transfers uniformly across the surface without distortions. Place the socks on the jigs, ensuring they're smooth and wrinkle-free. Position the printed sublimation paper face down on the sock, aligning the design carefully. Secure the paper with heat-resistant tape to prevent it from shifting during the transfer process. If your design wraps around the sock, you may need to repeat the process for the other side to cover the entire surface. For sublimating socks, set your heat press to a temperature of around 380 degrees to 400 degrees. Cover the socks with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect both the socks and the heat press. Apply medium pressure for approximately 45 to 60 seconds. These settings ensure the sublimation ink bonds properly with the polyester fibers, creating a vibrant, durable design. After pressing, carefully remove the socks from the heat press. They will be hot, so use heat-resistant gloves. Let them cool slightly before peeling back the sublimation paper. If you're sublimating both sides, repeat the process for the other side of the sock. Once complete, remove the socks from the jigs and inspect your design. If done correctly, your socks should feature a bright, seamless design. Sublimated socks are incredibly versatile. They make fantastic gifts, especially when personalized with names, patterns, or custom artwork. For businesses, sublimated socks are a great product to add to your inventory, whether you're targeting sports teams, events, or novelty markets. You can even use sublimated socks as promotional items by adding logos or branding elements. When caring for sublimated socks, wash them inside out in cold water on a gentle cycle. Avoid using bleach or harsh detergents, as these can fade the design over time. Line drying is preferable to maintain the vibrancy of the sublimated colors, though low-heat drying is usually fine as well. Sublimation on socks is not just about creating fun or functional items. It's also an opportunity to push your creative boundaries. Experiment with different patterns, colors, and templates to make socks that stand out. Whether you're crafting for personal enjoyment, gifts, or a business, sublimated socks are a practical yet stylish way to showcase your designs. And there you have it, a guide to sublimating on socks. From choosing the right materials to using templates for perfect alignment, you now have all the tools and tips to create stunning custom socks. Whether for gifts, personal use, or your sublimation business, socks are a fun and versatile canvas for your creativity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and other helpful resources where applicable. Visit my website for more guides and tips on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what designs you'd like to sublimate on socks. See you in the next video.